Hello friends! In today's video we are making colorful Suncatchers using coffee filter, just in time for summer. Get some inexpensive craft projects with these awesome DIY coffee filter crafts. I love how easy they are to make and how the bright colors of markers blend together to make these beautiful Suncatchers. These are fun and great for kids and adults. Kids can color these coffee filter with water-based markers or watercolors to make some cool designs. Hope you like this craft idea, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Supplies you'll need are coffee filters and water-based markers or watercolor. You can use a dropper or a spray bottle, so let's begin. Take some coffee filters and water-based markers. First, place a sheet of paper towel below your coffee filter. Now, flatten the coffee filter. Fold your coffee filter in half and then one more time to make a trifold. Use your red color marker and color slowly. The color will move to the other layers too. Flip to the other side and color here too. Now take your green marker, leave some white space, and start coloring at the edge of the coffee filter. Do it both sides. Take a dropper and drip a few drops of water onto the color until the coffee filter is completely wet. You can see how the colors are mixing up. Gently open your coffee filter and place another sheet of paper towel and let it dry on them. The coffee filter is already dry. Now let's make some seeds on it. I'm using a black marker to make some seeds. You can fold it or cut it in pieces, and your yummy watermelon is ready. You can hang it or glue it on your windows. Another sweet treat, making yummy oranges. Take your coffee filter and fold it 4 times. Use your orange marker and just draw one triangle and color it up. In the first fold, then to the back fold, then through the middle fold. So it'll turn out like this, just like an orange slice. Color the edges in orange and rest of the space with yellow color. Add few drops of water and then open it up. Open the coffee filter and let it dry completely on a paper towel. So our tasty orange is ready! Just like orange, you can create limes just by using green color. So we have more Suncatcher designs for you. So keep on watching! Such a smiley suncatcher on your window. Nice, right? So here comes our cool suncatcher. Check this sun out. You're going to love it. So how do you like these sunny suncatchers? What pretty, what fun. Let's see the sun. How can we forget rainbows? They're so pretty. Follow the rainbow pattern and create a design from red to purple. You'll see how it'll turn out when it's all dry. It was so fun working on coffee filters so that we made so many pretty mandala designs. It's so beautiful to see how the colors are mixing up and turning into a tie-dye effect. These are all our tie-dye patterns we've made. Hope they'll dry soon. These coffee filters are all dry and I just love how these look like. Using glue stick or double-sided tape to stick them on the windows. Enjoy your new creation. They look so pretty. I hope you enjoyed this fun craft. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.